Hi there. I've gone through your job description, and while going through your job description, I found out that you have a website that is niftytrader.in, right? And you required a couple of things which needs to be done by a digital marketing expert. So I am a digital marketing expert and I have worked on a various platform and I do have a 10 plus years of experience. So I've worked for organic traffic, for paid traffic, right? So and I've also done the work in augmented reality based marketing, that is AR based marketing. So as per your requirement, I know that you need a person specifically for organic, and I don't know whether you require for a paid or not. I'm a bit confused in that. Let us go with your job description and I'll answer you as per your requirement, right? As per your needs which you have mentioned over there. Okay, so I have gone through your website. I'll review your website, like what I have noticed in that. Before going to onto that part, I'll just go through your description. Okay, you are looking for a digital marketing expert. Okay, first point which you have mentioned, that is increase returning users. Now, for increasing the returning, specifically for the returning users, the users those who have already landed on your website, and you need that particular section of users to re-land on your website, right? That can be on either landing page. So for this can be done in a paid campaign as the Google AdWords campaign, where we can manage a campaign of the visitors for retargeting the particular visitors, like which are landing on your website. So that is called as a retargeting campaign. So I'm not sure whether you want to work on a paid campaign like Google AdWords or might be on Facebook or some other paid campaigns. So if you want to do that, I can do it. So you can just let me know. Second is reduce bounce rate. Okay, see, the bounce rate happens when you are not very much relevant to your services. You're not working in a relevancy, right? So there comes your bounce rate increases, because it is all about that you are in a rush of creating the backlinks. So it is not important to increase the number of backlinks, but it all depends upon the quality of backlinks. So if you are creating a backlinks, or we're going for any strategy to create a backlinks, so we must plan it out in a manner that we want a relevancy. For the relevancy, I would just like to tell you that I do work on a strategy that is specifically for the relevancy of the content, right? So that is silo content based SEO. That is the Google always appreciate the strategy which is done according to the silo content based marketing, right? So in this campaign, it is all about the matching the relevancy of a keyword with the landing page of a website, right? So that is what I always prefer, and I will do same with your business side if I get a chance. Okay, the third is content development to rank a new keyword. Okay, now specifically for the new keywords, before targeting any keyword, I need to go through the analysis of selecting the keyword, right? And because I want to make sure on whomsoever keyword I am working, so how much time that keyword will take according to its first page competition, right? That I can calculate according to my first page competitors, that how strong they are and how much work I need to do on a particular website to get my site to that particular position within a first page, right? So that is something like when I will perform it for you, I'll do explain you that okay, this keyword will require might be a month, or this keyword will require 3 months, and these are the numbers, like these are the things why I am telling you this particular time slide. So moving on to next, okay, with the content development as well, I can provide you content, but I would appreciate that if I would just provide you the topics or for the keywords, and if you can provide me the content yourself, because I believe that you are the only person who is having the maximum knowledge of your business, right? Now moving on to the next part, that is okay, UI improvements. Okay, yes, I will definitely tell you what user interface improvement is being required, right? In your website, like improvement, right? It can be either thing, because when I will be analyzing your competitor market, I know that I will be going to the couple of website. So I can just suggest you that this thing is being done in a market, this website is having this particular interface, like user interface. So if we want to improve our interface, we can also amend such kind of thing, right? Rest is depends upon you and on your development team. Okay, And now the other is on page, off page. Yeah, that is my work. Like I need to do the on page and off page for the flow of organic traffic on your website, right? And specifically, I observe, like I prefer to do correct the on page structure of the website first, and then move on to the second step, that is off page strategy management, right? Okay, next is run and manage ad campaigns on different network. Okay, sorry, you have mentioned in that okay, you want to run and manage the ad campaigns. Okay, but see, initially, I would suggest you to increase little bit more online presence on a search engine, and then you can go for your ad management process, right? And you have also mentioned that you do have a application on a Play Store, so same we can do it for applications as well, right? But initially, I think so that your website needs a little bit more hike in organic traffic before getting into this paid campaigns, right? You can go for it, but don't invest that much, because right now it is not a stage to invest that much in a paid campaigns, because you will not get acquired results out of that, right? Okay, the next point is sorry, other way to improve site stats. Okay, there are the other ways like this. This is that you can just calculate your Alexa. All the things I will provide you in the weekly reports. That initially, before working on your website, I will do mark out each and everything. That is your Alexa rank, right? Your website initial position, where your website is standing right now for a specific keyword. Like if you want to target a specific keyword, what is the ranking over there? If I'm selecting a particular set of keyword, and for the initial work, I will let you know what is the particular initial ranking. After the 1 week of work, what are the improvements, right? So okay, and okay, next you have mentioned you can pick and choose few tasks based on your specialization. Okay, yeah, sure, I will set up my strategy and I'll share it with you, right? So that you can know that what I will be doing on your website. But I will create a strategy only after performing the on-page structure optimization. Until and unless I am very clear about your competitors, your on-page structure, right? What kind of keywords, if you have suggested any keywords, so what kind of traffic that keywords can attain. Cause see, I do the maximum work that is manually. I don't use much of the tools. I only prefer using Google Analytics and Google Webmaster. I believe that if you are having a full knowledge of your digital marketing or for the search engine optimization process, then Google Analytics and Google Webmaster are enough for a person, right? Rest, for the keyword selection, you need to do it on a manual basis, because I don't think so that any tool will provide you the accurate competition or accurate search volume of a keyword on an organic level. They do provide you the keyword researches that is based on a paid campaigns, right? How many hits they get from the paid campaigns? Because you must have noticed that few of the keywords, they most of the tools, they say that okay, this keyword is having the 0 search count, but I don't believe that for an organic the keywords would be having the 0 search count, because there are billion of minds who might be thinking for that particular searches within a search engine with that particular keyword. So I don't believe that any keyword which is very specific and that keyword can have a 0 search count, right, on a monthly basis. Okay, and the very important thing that you have mentioned, that is you need to target an Indian market. I'm very much aware of Indian market, as I am an Indian, right? So I know what is the mentality over here, what kind of see, I can help you if you want to target an Indian market, I can give you a good content over there, right? But if you want to target it globally, then I would prefer that okay, you can provide me the particular content on a global level, right? Okay, if you want to target India, do you want to target any specific area, right, or a specific kind of a niche that okay you want to target it? So you can just elaborate that okay, or either you want to cover whole of the country, right? So I would be aware of that what particular region you want to target, right? Next, it would be please mention if you do have a future plans on a global level as well, so that I should set up a strategy in such a way that initially we are working for targeting the India, right? But future plans we are having that we need to spread this business on a global level. Okay, and for the app also, I do the app optimization as well for the following keywords on a Google store, right, or on Apple store, so, right. So I do the application optimization as well, but it depends upon you if you want to do it. Because to be honest, I have not checked your app right now, so I've only gone through your website, right. And while going through your website, I have noticed few of the things. Okay, your website URL is okay. Your Alexa need to have an improvement over there, right? There is no canonical issue in your website. Title needs to be optimized. Meta description and meta title also needs an optimization over there. Images, alt tags are some of the alt tags images are missing over there, so you need to set up an alt tag for those images. Okay. I think your website, it is the age is to it's been built in 2014, I guess so. And sitemap, okay, sitemap is over there, robot.txt file is over there, social media buttons are over there, right? And heading tag needs an improvement, because as per the H1, H2, H3 till H6 there are the tags, so we need to mention a proper tag for a proper content or on a page setup, so we need to do that. Okay, Google Analytics code is over there, Webmaster is over there, Webmaster code is over there, right? And okay, see, if you want an improve, it is almost good, but if you want, you can improve like image to content ratio. So I think so, like you need to have little bit more content on some of the pages as comparison to image to content ratio, right? Okay, so these are few of the things which I did observe. Rest of the things, I don't see that your on page will take that much of time, right? But still, we need to go through the on page to have an competitor analysis as well, so that we can create a good strategy for the off page marketing. So I'm believe so that I have gone through whole of the things within this short video proposal. If you want me to work on your website, or if you want to discuss something more, I'm available on Skype. I'm comfortable with the WhatsApp, as a video call or as an audio call or as in text, right? So you can contact me anytime. I think so that I'm available in your time zone as well. So still you have some such specific time, you can just let me know, and then we can set up a short meeting. So till then, take care, and I hope so that you will get for a long run with whomsoever candidate like you were selecting, right? And I believe that you will provide me an opportunity. Okay, good luck for your business, and cheers.